In order to check voicemail messages on POCO C85, all you have to do is you need to open the phone app. And then once you go over here, you want to switch to the keypad. And now we're gonna press and hold number 1. If you do so, you should be able to speed dial the voicemail. And then of course, if someone left messages for you, you should be able to listen to them. Quite easy. In case you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, you cannot reach a voicemail with that method, then there might be an issue with the voicemail number in the voicemail settings. So you want to switch back to the home page, tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner, and open Settings. Next, in Settings, find and choose Voicemail. Then if needed, select your SIM card as well, go to Advanced Settings, and then in here we have the voicemail number, which we can edit. If you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can try to contact your carrier or service provider, or try to Google that information, like the name of your carrier or service provider and voicemail number or something like that. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.